What you say?
2 times.
2 times?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden?
Yes.
Your name is Little Gooch?
No.
No, you
Yes.
Gooch Jr., yes?
Let them know who you are, puppy. Let them know who you are. You know what I mean? That's my little type right there. That's my little mini under me. You know what I mean? You gotta raise the youth these days, you know what I mean? A lot of you daddies don't like to take care of your young yams. You know what I mean? You like to put something in the oven, but don't like to eat what's coming out, man. Stovetop stuff, and I make sure my shit's correct. You like right there, Poppy?
Want to climb up there?
Yeah, you know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta climb up there, do like the ridiculous things for your boys, but shit, whatever my Poppy wants, Poppy get.
That's what's up. One of the Don Block dads, right?
Nah, my Poppy want a little bit too much. Nigga ain't trying none of this. Alright. Yo, come on, Poppy, come on, let them know who you are. Let them know. Say 2 times for the dime. Say for the dime.
2 times for the dime.
Yeah, tell them.
Sister, to the dime.